Hello and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponents. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the problem 3 raised to the power of 4. Join us as we break down the steps to simplify this exponent problem. Let's get started. Step 1. To simplify the integer exponent problem, 3 raised to the power of 4, we first need to understand what an exponent represents. An exponent is a small number written above and to the right of a base number. In this case, 3 is the base number and 4 is the exponent. The exponent tells us how many times to multiply the base number by itself. So for 3 raised to the power of 4, we will multiply 3 by itself 4 times. This can be written as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Let's go ahead and calculate this step by step. Step 1, multiply the first two 3's. 3 times 3 equals 9. This changes our expression to 9 times 3 times 3. By breaking it down, we make it easier to solve and understand each part of the calculation. Step 2. Now we take the result of our previous calculation, which is 9, and multiply it by 3 again. So we have 9 times 3. When we multiply 9 by 3, we get 27. This changes our expression to 27 times 3. We continue breaking it down step by step so it remains clear and easy to follow. In this step, we have taken the intermediate result and multiplied it by 3 once more, simplifying the problem a bit further. Step 3. Finally, we take our result from the previous calculation, which is 27, and multiply it by 3 again, so we have 27 times 3. When we multiply 27 by 3, we get 81. This changes our expression to just 81. So 3 raised to the power of 4 simplifies to 81. This is the final step, and our final answer is 81. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.